So drive a big curve, please. Come on. Find confidence in the traffic system. Big curve. Exactly. And we turn right. Turn right, no? Indicator. It's the close on the right.
Yeah.
It's the close on the right. It's not indicator, no? And go. Go, 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 go. Go, please. So, we want to go into that end.
Okay.
How you make it?
Dead end.
How you make it? How you go into that end? Indicator. Don't stop, please. Don't stop. Pay attention and go. Yeah, big curve. Because you have opposite traffic.
Okay.
That's the close on the right. So now you make a U-turn here, and the place is big enough. The first step is you stop here on the right side. Go a little bit further, please. Indicator right. What is the indicator? The indicator is a signal. A signal for what? For you or for others? Yeah. Then tell the others what you're doing, what you want to do. Yeah. And the indicator is a very important thing. I know other traffic users don't use it. We have to do it. Yeah. We have to do it. Yeah.